Hi guys, my name is Siddharth and I'm making this video for the project which I got. So here is the HTML. I have set it up already. So we are going to write a function for promise. So forgive me, I'm not using a mic, so I have to use a laptop audio. And this video they have given a very less time, 3 to 6 minutes. So I'm writing a function promise, so and explain you along the way. So let p1 equal to new promise, and then set timeout and then we'll use the arrow function. Just a second here, add arrow function, and then I will give just a second alert, and we'll write hey, I am the first promise, and we'll give a time when it should run. So I'm giving a time 4 seconds after I run this program. So you can see this is the first promise, and then what I will do, make a second one. So for that we will it's a p1 dot then. Same thing we'll do here. Here we'll do console.log and write I am the second promise, and then return new promise, return new promise. Set timeout will use arrow function, will give resolve. Oh, we forgot to put here, yeah, resolve. Forgive me for that. Here, and here we'll do resolve 2, and here after how many here we need to decide after how many seconds it should run. So we'll give it to 7 seconds, and then we'll do the console log for the whole thing. No, just a second. Before that we need to do one more thing. Dot then, and we need to call the complete program, complete promise. So for that we'll use the arrow function to call this. Console.log, and we'll write here congratulations, congratulations, this is promise now resolve. So first and then we'll save it, and so after that we'll run it. So here you can see, just a second. So see, here is the first promise, and then second promise. See, I'm the second promise. Congratulations, this is resolved. So this is the video. Thank you so much.